Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily DVAR HALACHA. And here's a brand new halacha for you. And it's for Friday, the 5th day of February, the 23rd day of SHVAT. Today we're going to have a little halacha about talking while you're eating. First of all, we're going to go to the Shulchan Aruch on this matter. Shulchan Aruch says, Ein masichin besuda. You're not supposed to speak while you're eating your meal. Shema yakdim kana laveshet. Because maybe I think you would say the windpipe will come before the esophagus. Well, whatever it is, it's a problem of choking, okay? And therefore, a person should not be speaking during his meal. Now, many people wonder that you don't see anybody doing this anymore, and why would that be? So we're going to research that and come out that it is okay that people today are basically not following this halacha. Here we go explaining it. First of all, we're going to go to the Mishnah Brura, and the Mishnah Brura says here, "V'dafka b'shas achila." That's only while you're actually eating. Umishum sakana, and because of the danger of choking. Aval bein tavshil letavshil, but between one course and the next course, mutter, then it is allowed. Umitzvah, and it's even a mitzvah to be speaking then, al kol adam, on all people, lilmod Torah al shulchana, because you're all supposed to be learning Torah by your table. So you already have the beginnings of the answer here. The Mishnah Brura says, of course you're expected to speak between courses, and that's some of the speaking that you'll see. But some of you listening to this are still wondering and saying, yeah, but I see people speaking during courses. So we need an explanation for that too. So for that, we're going to go to the Aruch HaShulchan. And yeah, I got it here for you now. V'kasha, lama ein nizarin achshav b'din zeh. How come we don't find people being careful about this law? U'medabrim b'soch achila, and we see plenty of people speaking while they're eating. So here's his answer. V'yesh misha omer tedafka ledit hu. That only applied in their time. Shehaya ochlan behaseba. They ate leaning, you know, what we do at the Seder. So haisa chashash sakana. So then it was a fear of danger because of the way the esophagus and the windpipe are placed when you're leaning. Aval anachnu, but us sheyoshim b'shivui, we sit up straight, veina kana lamata, and the windpipe and esophagus are more properly arranged, leka chashash. That's what the Prisha says. So now you see one more reason why people aren't careful about it in our day. And now the Aruch HaShulchan, I'm going to scroll here, gives one more reason. The Odef Sharlomer, it's also possible to say, Tekivan dedashu be'rabim, since many people have made this their habit, to all speak while they are eating. Shomer p'soim Hashem. So this is a pasuk, a phrase in our Tanakh, which basically says Hashem watches over those who act a little bit simple. In other words, now that it's become the regular way, Hashem watches over the simple who do their simple things. V'chein nira ikar. And that seems to be the same reason. Let's sum up here. We quoted to you from the Shulchan Aruch that says you're not supposed to talk while you're eating. And we wonder, well, why does everybody talk when they eat nowadays? So first of all, we had the Mishnah Brura who said, well, between courses you're expected to talk because you have to say Torah at your table. But that doesn't explain why people talk while they're eating. And to that, the Aruch HaShulchan gave us two more reasons. One, the reason of the Prisha, that it doesn't apply to us today because we all eat in our regular seated form where it's less of a danger. And lastly, he said, Shomer p'soim Hashem. We expect Hashem to watch over those who are simple, and that's why we're all okay today. So though you will hear that this halacha exists, you should just know that most people are comfortable and safe eating and talking, and it's all right. Thanks for logging on. Have a great Shabbos. And remember, it's Shabbos Mevarchim. Check out all the details on that. And have a great Shabbos and log on after Shabbos for more. Bye-bye.